All right, let's talk about AI. We all use it, but how do we get, really good at it? Today, we're looking at a tool that's all about unlocking that next level, helping you unleash your true AI potential.
So, you type a prompt into your favorite AI, and what you get back is fine. It's okay. But you can't shake that feeling, right? That little voice in your head asking, was that the best I could do? Am I leaving potential on the table? Yeah, we've all been there.
And that right there, that's the biggest problem. You're basically practicing in a vacuum. It's just you and the machine with absolutely zero feedback. No one's there to pat you on the back, or, more importantly, to point out how you could do better. So you're just guessing and hoping for the best.
Well, what if you could change that? What if you had a coach right there with you? That's where this comes in. Meet the Prompt Engineering Skill Assessor. So what is this thing really? Just think of it like your own personal AI expert, on call 24/7. It's built to act like a senior prompt architect, one of those pros whose whole job is to write killer instructions for AI. It's not going to give you some vague feedback. Nope. It gives you a hard grade and shows you exactly, step by step, how to get better. And the best part? It's not some complicated thing you have to spend hours learning. It is super simple, but incredibly powerful. You can get that expert feedback in literally seconds. Let me show you how it works. It really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you pop in your prompt. Step 2, it gets analyzed instantly. And step 3, boom. You get a completely upgraded version, plus a breakdown of why it's so much better. And get this, it's not just for text you paste in. Oh no. You can throw entire documents at it. We're talking PDFs, Word docs, PowerPoint presentations, even data files like CSVs or JSON. It can even pull text from images. How cool is that? Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. How does this thing actually turn you into a prompt engineering expert? Let's break down the features that take you from good enough to great, like right away. Okay, first things first. If you want to get better at anything, you need a baseline, right? You need to know where you're starting from. And that's exactly what it gives you, a crystal clear score. It's called your overall skill index. It's just a simple number from 0 to 100. This gives you an immediate snapshot of where your skills are right now. No more guessing, no more wondering. You get a real number you can actually use to track your progress.
And that score isn't just a random number. It places you in one of 3 tiers: beginner, intermediate, or all the way up to advanced/expert. So right away, you see your path forward. You know where you stand, and you know what you're shooting for. But look, a score is just a number. It's useful, for sure, but it's just the beginning. It tells you what your level is, but it doesn't tell you how to improve. And that's where the real magic comes in. Let's look at a classic example. I bet every single one of us has written a prompt like this. Write a marketing email. I mean, it's not technically wrong, but it's so vague, the AI has no choice but to just guess what you're thinking. So you take that weak little prompt and you feed it to the assessor. In the background, it's tearing it apart, noticing the weak structure, the total lack of context, and then it gets to work rebuilding it from the ground up. And wow, just look at the after. It's night and day. It's been completely rebuilt for precision. See how it adds a role? Expert email marketer? Now you're not talking to a generic AI, you're talking to a specialist. It adds context about the app and a clear goal. Drives signups. All the guesswork is gone. And it even specifies the format. This isn't just a prompt anymore. It's a professional-grade creative brief for your AI. But it actually goes even deeper than that. This isn't just about fixing one prompt at a time. The tool looks at the bigger picture. It analyzes your skills across 3 core dimensions to see how well-rounded you really are. And those dimensions are range, width, and depth. Think of it like this. Range is about what you're doing. Are you only asking for emails, or are you trying coding and strategy too? Width is about how you ask. Are all your prompts just one simple sentence, or are you building more complex ones? And depth, that's about the advanced tricks. Are you using techniques like roles, constraints, or telling the AI to double-check its own work? Nailing all 3 of these is how you become a real power user. So, at the end of the day, this is all about one thing: taking the guesswork out of getting better. It's time to stop just winging it and start improving with a real plan. So the only question left is, are you ready to actually level up? To stop wondering if your prompts are any good and start knowing they're great? Ready to level up your AI skills? Get this prompt assessor and more free GPTs today by visiting eliaskouloures.com. Seriously, stop guessing and start mastering.